Claude AI versus VS Code. Which one actually helps you write better code faster? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare Claude AI and VS Code with AI plugins, so you can pick the one that fits your coding style and workflow. Let's start with Claude AI. Claude, made by Anthropic, is a powerful AI assistant that helps you write, debug, and explain code using natural language. It's great for people who want to talk through logic, generate scripts, or get help without typing full commands. You just describe what you need, and Claude tries to build it or guide you through it. Now let's talk about VS Code. VS Code itself isn't an AI, but when paired with tools like GitHub Copilot, it becomes a supercharged editor. It gives suggestions as you type, auto-completes lines, and even writes whole functions. The big win here is staying inside your code editor while getting AI help. No switching windows needed. So which one is better? If you're stuck on a problem and want to chat your way through it, Claude might be the smarter helper. But if you're already writing code and want real-time suggestions inside your editor, VS Code plus Copilot could be more efficient.